So you've got a compressor that's humming, that's clicking, that's pulling high amperage, or that's red hot. Let's first check power at the disconnect. Phase 1 to phase 2. 214. Phase 1 to phase 3. This is great doing this with one hand. Now you do this. Phase 1 to phase 3. $214. Phase 2 to phase 3. $214. You have 3 phase at all 3 legs. Now let's go over to the other side to the compressor. You want to do the same thing there? At the top of the compressor, we're going to check phase 1 to phase 2. We don't have 215. Phase 1 to phase 3. We do have 215. 2 to phase 3. We don't have 215. We have a broken wire in this line. These wires go unbroken from here all the way to the disconnect. Before you can diagnose a dead compressor, you better change the wires.